Yeah, is the naked truth. M3, hustle and flow. Let's go. I still stand up for my yora push and hustle. One punch at a time to a fella struggle. Never be a beggar, go better or be humble. Ubule machontona, there are snakes in the jungle. Gula lebatila sibulere olip chatlanche faselera lena mohau. Udi kopanse wana psio tatlo skacha baji kopanse rama sedi kopana lesaka ore takante. I'm a real G, bujisha hore ke mam. Bita baji mubaga hoba bute na ke mam. Lidinga ka never chachela hore na ke man. Panetsenya nege ke feta banse bana ke mam. Lucas and Tebele Matron, you will still feel it. Hore demonic is the best and you still deny it. I'm right on your face, my music, you still hear it. See every stage that I step on, I still kill it. You talk love, but none of you show love. Bonana ki control, I feel like it the one above. Lucas and Rata ke baban latalam. Lucas and Tepe ke baban latalam. And if a hono kawata jeso wena umang, lesa no khate khadina polo dilu mamang. Barata fela dipulelo tsa bona dikai bangwe ba go rata fela gore ona le bokai. Ke tsene mashomo ke leka go ke pidisha. Tlhokomela ba tseneng ba re ba go lemisha. Bangwe lefaseng ba tletse go utlurisha. Wemela ke mathata a never ba go kukisha. So tell me right now, nagana re tuna ra tshwara makela bala entle go prove up. Azanga wakwa hip hop, or maybe you just hate it cause it's us, better fuck off. People criticize us, I wishing Gabe Batse our daily sacrifices. And even though Galile me you always wanna kiss, I'm addicted to Benelli Buga Genwale vest. The Demu Agangaraba, I'm gone papa. Kapapa Nyana 1 meter, I'm gone papa. Banekale Reba Nanga Barre Komela, Nota Beckett, so I'm your vest to see me, you will pay papa. Rakopa Tusho Papa Yakaba Bilivi, by MH the Deadly Pampona on the TV. Bareha Bataleka Bafana Ba local, Wagitiva Lakarubelewe international. I'm a proud man, Mukopani citizen. Kimupedi, I rather die like Hector Peterson. My name is M3, Gidula Mukopani, Rakefela Lesho like a Peu Yamukopani. I don't wanna hear no more yara yara. Rapanyana hey wara wara. If you got nothing better to say, keep your mouth shut. So no kiss kimilele ami, you will get shot. Ghana wana o abela wang abulela. Rebeta talenta ya renaka wole rebela. It doesn't matter if you don't pay me. They take in a meleje, you will wish you could have me. M3 naked truth mona. Motaka na re na le ditshelenyana. It's the naked truth. Ke nnete e leng gona pepeneneng. And honestly, certain things at a certain point, re chaba go di engage or di bolela specifically the way they are. But naked truth go fa yona pa, straight talk doesn't blah blah. But now the song in Khwachi, to be honest, I can't necessarily say it was inspired by, but it was of course generated from a point where I feel we are a little bit undermined and reassured in terms of access to opportunities. So I understand. And people closer to us, the circle around us, how support me, bra. They speak of supporting us, they don't act in terms of supporting us. So I understand. That is the raw truth. I would post about MC and people would have love. And if I can say CD shit and rant, only 2 people would come out of 100 who are cheering. What is that supposed to mean? So let's not get it twisted. Don't understand. But also to say, now I'm a fighter, and I want to be known and to be remembered as such. And if there's one thing that I stand firm about, it's who I am. Don't understand? Where I am. Ke mopedi, ke dula mokopane, ke tswa magaeng, ke push up di rap. Don't understand? This is who I am. And the naked truth, man, is all about exposing a whole lot of things. Jelong in the public would keep in a marane. That's what's up.